In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up taxes in Zoho Books. Whether you're a small business owner or just someone trying to manage your financial records more efficiently, knowing how to set up taxes correctly is crucial. So let's dive right in and get started. First, let's navigate to Zoho Books and log into your account. Once you're inside, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Settings section. Now, don't worry if you feel a bit overwhelmed. The interface is quite user-friendly, and with a little exploration, it will all become familiar. Clicking on Settings is your gateway to customizing your Zoho Books experience to suit your financial needs. Once you're in the settings, look for the Taxes option. Taxes are an essential part of any business operation, so finding this section in Zoho Books is vital for managing your financial obligations properly. Click it, and you'll be directed to a new page where you can start adjusting and making the necessary tax configurations for your specific circumstances. Now that you're in the Taxes section, your next step will be to find and click on Tax Rates. It's essential to understand the various tax rates that apply to your business transactions, as this ensures you're compliant with all necessary regulations and that calculations are done accurately. You might see a list of taxes already set up here, depending on the size and scope of your operations. To add a new tax, go ahead and click on New Tax. This function allows you to specify any new tax requirements your business may have, tailored to your activities. Adding new taxes is a straightforward process, and doing so ensures that all your financial transactions remain compliant with the local laws and regulations. Now it's time to get into the details. Enter the tax name. This is where you specify the type of tax you're dealing with, such as VAT, GST, or any other applicable tax. Keep in mind that labeling it clearly will help you and anyone else using the software to understand what the tax is used for easily. After naming your tax, you'll need to click on Rate or Percent to specify the percentage that applies to this tax type. Make sure to enter this information accurately, as it directly affects how calculations are processed and ensures your business operations remain above board. Next, you'll need to identify the tax authority responsible for this tax. Inputting the correct authority is crucial, as it associates the tax payment with the right jurisdiction and governmental body that will receive these funds. This step is important for both compliance and for your internal record keeping. Finally, after reviewing all the details you've entered, click on Save to finalize your new tax setup. Saving your changes ensures that all configurations are recorded and can now be used in all relevant financial transactions. Be sure to double-check everything before hitting Save to avoid any potential issues down the line. And there you have it. You've successfully set up taxes in Zoho Books. Remember to periodically review your tax settings, especially if there are any changes in regulations or your business operations. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to drop any questions below, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep managing those finances efficiently.